Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is SKR Universe and this is the part 2 of
What if?
And you will know about what if humans suddenly vanish. In just a few hours after humans disappear, light around the world will shut down. Within 10 days, pets and farm animals will die out due to starvation and dehydration. A few weeks later, those adorable small dog breeds will no longer exist as packs of bigger dogs hunt them down and take them out. And nuclear power plants would explode. In a year, satellite will start falling back to the earth. The sky will light up with the thousands of objects we have put in the earth's orbit. A quarter of the century after man's disappearance, 75% of the planet's paved cities and sidewalks will be covered in vegetation. After 60 years, ocean will be recovered from overfishing, and after 300 years, metal construction will crumble to the ground, and after 500 years, forests will return to the condition they were in 10,000 years earlier. So friends, if you like this video, press like button and share this video to all your friends and families. Subscribe for more videos. We'll meet in next video.